Da-da-da, we're dead. Whoa, 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 where do you think you're going?
Go put your records on. Tell me your favorite song. You go ahead, let your head down. Sapphire and faded jeans. I hope you get your dreams. Just go ahead, let your head down. Aren't you the guy who tried to hurt me with the word goodbye? Though it took some time to survive you.
Always with this disappointed scowl like someone skimped on the meat in a sandwich.
Excuse me, barmaid. I'm afraid you brought me the wrong offspring. I ordered an extra large boy with beefy arms, extra guts and glory on the side. This here, this is a talking fish boat.
Who that? Ah, Gigi Wop. Say do that. Ah, Gigi Wop. Who that? Ah, Gigi Wop. Who that? Ah, Gigi Wop.
This is Berk. It's 12 days north of hopeless and a few degrees south of freezing to death. It's located solidly on the meridian of misery. My village. In a word, sturdy. And it's been here for 7 generations, but every single building is new. We have fishing, hunting, and a charming view of the sunsets. The only problems are the pests. You see, most places have mice or mosquitoes. We have dragons.
Hey, grind. Hey, grind.
This is what it is to be a dragon, Hiccup.
So take it on. The city's yours. We're fighting for. It's all mine. So take it on. The city's yours. We're fighting for. It's all mine.
dragon no one's ever seen. We call it the Night.
Money wired, no denying. Always like to play with
I believe we can write our story. I believe we can be an army. We are the warriors who learn to love the pain. We come from different places but have the same name. Cause we were born for this. We were born for this.
I was a coward. I was weak. I wouldn't kill a dragon.
You said wouldn't that time.
Whatever. I wouldn't. 300 years, and I'm the first Viking who wouldn't kill a dragon.
He's only the son of Stoic the Vast, his heir to the throne, Berk, and the greatest dragon master this world has ever seen.
Dragon Master. I alone control the dragons.
No.
Sorry.
They know we're missing, and they have tracking dragons. If you so much as touch us, Hiccup is gonna kick.
Hiccup. He's not a problem. Really. Trust me.
He's only the son of Stoic the Vast, his heir to the throne, Berk, and the greatest dragon master this world has ever seen.
Dragon Master. I alone control the dragons.
No.
Sorry.
The club about to close, come about to close. I'm about to give you what you asking for. Order what you want, girl, it ain't no problem. I'ma tell the waitress that my baby need a bottle. Order what you want, said it ain't no problem. Got a piece of candy and it's all for you. She said she not a lot. She wanna make it
I told you it was in here.
You're still doing that one. That's hilarious. Come here, you.
If you dance, I'll dance. And if you don't, I'll dance anyway. Give peace a chance. Let the fear you have fall away. I've got my eye on you. I've got my eye on you. Yeah, you're beautiful, don't have to try. Darling, you look divine. Eyes don't lie. Eyes don't lie.
Oh, playing dirty now, huh?
You asked for it. Looks like there might be a wedding after all.
Oh, how dare you! That's a low blow. No, you are not getting away.
I'm in a field of dandelions, wishing on everyone that you'd be mine. I'm getting fucking tired. The reason my eyes are bursting. If our love died, would that be the worst thing? Somebody I thought was my savior, sure make me do. Oh, will I later? The kind of skin on my hands is cracking. If our love ends, would that be a bad thing?
For once in your life, would you please just listen to me?
You throw your lot in with them. You're not a Viking. You're not my son. They've killed hundreds of us.
And we've killed thousands of them. Would you please just listen to me?
Every time you step outside, disaster falls. Can you not see that I have bigger problems?
It's not so much what you look like, it's what's inside that he can't stand.
I wouldn't kill him because he looked as frightened as I was.
I can't kill dragons. Can you not hear me?
I just want to be one of you guys.
I am a Viking.
You're not my son.
So take it off, the city's yours. We're fighting for, it's all mine. The city's yours. We're fighting for, it's all mine.
it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us.
Hiccup. This is Berk, son. It's our home. It's my job as chief to protect us, Hiccup. And one day, when you're all grown up, that job will be passed on to you.
The needs of the many outweigh the needs of the few.
A chief protects his own.
But Berk is more than this place. We are Berk, the people, the dragons. I say Berk is wherever we go.
Got me right there.